And what I want to talk about is aerodynamics. This is aerodynamics right here. Birds. Okay? Look, watch it. Look how he glides. No problem. He's turning. This guy's on point. He's got the skills. Oh yeah. This is the guy right here. This guy's the master of the sky. Look at him. He could dip, dive. At any moment, he could go down and get himself a snack. He's looking for it, actually. He's positioning himself. He wants to find something to eat. It's beautiful, isn't it? The aerodynamics of a bird.